delicate one. Truly you're like a heavenly maiden, bright-eyed beauty, so graceful and fine.
Lower down, salawat.